I think this is kind of a reason why, we play music and you don't stop playing music. Is to just if you don't stop, good things happen. If we stopped playing music as a band, we wouldn't have had this opportunity.
Yeah.
And so there's just a testament to, if you love what you do, just don't stop doing it. I think a lot of people can get hung up on, oh, we gotta make it here and do this and do that. Just don't stop.
Yeah, too many benchmarks are unnecessary. Just have fun and keep doing what you like.
Yeah.
And a town like this is so great. I'm grateful for this. It allows this life to just keep playing shows and having fun with friends.
Especially if what you're doing is good.
Yeah.
It's a different story if, you're a questionable band. It's like, all right, let's get it together. But if you're confident in what you're doing is a good, you're putting out a good product that you're proud of, and you get enough feedback from people. That's good. Thank you. Be proud of that, and just keep doing it because it's a gift and it's something to be thankful for.
This is cool. This is
Yeah.
fun.
Digging it.
Yeah, thanks.
Very cool.
Well
Thanks
done.
for having us on
Nice
this
setup.
thing. Yeah, it is a sweet setup.
Like,
Okay, so we play tonight. We played Curtain Call,
Curtain Call. What's that?
Into the Monster. Yes, so those are the.
Curtain Call into the monster.
Yes.
Curtain
Curtain
Call
Call's
is,
a really
is
short
our
one.
shortest song. It's 46 seconds
Oh,
Yeah.
long.
That song is about the end of the world. It's like a countdown,
Okay.
and it's just like it. I wrote it one night when I was really pissed off about it was like when they said we reached the point of no return with the climate change shit. It's like, oh, at this point we're fucked anyway. Now it's all repair work to try and get back. And so I thought of the human race as like an actual race. And I'm like, we fucking lost, dude. We did not win that race. Two, I like my lyrics to have fun, but that song is pretty dead serious, and that's why it's only 47 seconds long. 46 seconds.
In and out.
Into what song?
The Monster.
The Monster. Well, that's.
That's about somebody, I would say, getting possessed by some sort of evil and demanding things of you. I guess it could be kind of heady in a way. You could think the monster could be some sort of influence in the real world on you, but in the song it's definitely somebody is possessing this person and forcing him to keep going, and you better not fuck up.
Do you write most of the lyrics?
Yeah, most of them, and then Hagen and I collaborate on
Okay.
some, and definitely we edit them
Just
together.
edit more or less, fine
Because I was telling you outside before, I'll when I have an idea, I'll just grab my acoustic and just play a very simple melody, just a few chords, just to get some sort of rhythm going to get the stuff on the paper.
Sure.